Hi there. Check out the Globe Electric 2 Light Flush Mount Ceiling Light with a matte brass finish and white linen shade that combines traditional and minimalist styles. This fixture provides soft, diffused light thanks to its white fabric shade, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. It is fully dimmable when paired with a compatible dimmer switch, allowing you to customize your lighting mood easily. Installation is simple with all mounting hardware included for a quick and secure setup. The light uses two E26 base bulbs, supporting both LED and incandescent options up to 60 watts each. Its sleek design and versatile lighting make it perfect for any modern or classic home decor. Enhance your space with this beautiful, functional ceiling light today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.